Hey guys, welcome back. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot to show for today. Many of you guys know that I get a little bit more aggressive pre-market, and now it's about 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Market's been open for about 45 minutes, and we have, okay moves, but nothing that really compelled me to get aggressive. Or I would look back and be like, there was a move, and I kind of was looking at a different ticker. There was no one clear lead gapper today. There was just stuff all over the place. So bit of a scratch day for me. I, took a few trades pre-market, but overall it was a total snooze fest pre-market. But there is one thing I want to share on top of my trades, which I'll share in a little bit, and that is a big milestone that we reached. And let me go ahead and just share my screen and show you guys. If you're in the Discord, you probably already know about this, but I made a little tweet here. I said, I remember when I joined Profitly way back in the day, and I saw people with big numbers next to their name, and I thought, that must be nice. About 1.5 years later, I got a bit more serious on day trading specifically, and yesterday I passed the $100,000 mark after 3,830 trades. I know it's a lot of trades, but let me just show you guys here the stats. Right here we have the profit, $100,000, 3,830 trades. We'll dive so much more into stats. It was going to be today, but I think it's going to be Saturday. We're going to do the August recap, a lot to recap. And then here is the profit chart as well. You can actually see both times over the summer it was a little bit slow. We were still profitable over the summer, but those are very slow months. Sometimes it's not even worth trading, and I'll talk about what I'm planning to do next year for that. So definitely consider subscribing if you guys are totally new. And I really do appreciate everyone dropping a like, leaving a comment. We even got Tim Sykes here. He retweeted it. So if we just go to Tim Sykes, a little retweet here. Kind of a funny little thing, especially for me personally, and I think anyone else that might have been following Tim Sykes for a long time. If we go back to my YouTube channel and go to the community post, I did a little bit of a secondary shout out here, and I talked about it a little bit more. I said, I know we all started somewhere, and I started day trading when I watched Wall Street Warrior series back in college and saw Tim Sykes. So I don't know if you guys know Wall Street Warriors. It's a very simple kind of, it almost feels a little bit homemade kind of series, and Tim Sykes was one of the people they were following for a while. And this is when he was day trading and also starting his hedge fund back in the day. And then I went ahead and said I was still busy with my company back then. Day trading wasn't my main thing, more swing trading and investing. I definitely didn't document my trades. That's where Trade Journal came from, because when I took it serious, I was like, I got to document everything I do. Either way, fast forward to Corona times, and I finally went YOLO on day trading. I went all in on it. If you guys remember, it was November about 2019, right before Corona. We started really getting serious with day trading. That's when we started the streams on the YouTube channel. Since then, I had a lot more free time after tying up loose ends with my company, so I was able to do that, had a little bit more free time. I wanted to let you guys know as well that everyone can reach these milestones. You just got to show up every single day. That's what we talk about in the Discord, and that's why we have the Discord. That's why we have that community where we can all communicate every single day, and I use this YouTube channel to show what I do every single day and show my biggest wins, my biggest losses, and just my lessons, so we can all grow together. Bren and Colby are two moderators inside of the Discord, and they show up every single day. Anyway guys, next stop is the $1 million mark, so let's get going here. I hope September is going to give us a lot of good action to hopefully continue that momentum a little bit, because so far today it was a bit of a disaster, that's for sure. And talking about the trades, we actually have DTST that popped up pretty nicely. I wasn't watching DTST because there were so many other tickers, which I kept on switching around. There were so many lead gappers, and at one point I was just like, I was gassed. I started looking at the market around 7 a.m. actually earlier, like 10 minutes before then, and then at 10 right now, so it's 10:20 right now. That means I've been looking at the market for 3 hours and 20 minutes. It's not a crazy amount of time, but at that point I'm just like start seeing things a little bit blurry, and I want to walk away at that point. This ticker was okay though. Look at this big move here, pulled back, broke out, quick pullback here. This could have been a fake out. This tough. This could have chopped me out, but a nice run up here. Start averaging down towards the 90 EMA again. Nice run ups. This one actually was, percentage wise, really, really nice. A lot of tickers we saw today, were under 20%, under 30% gappers, and I usually don't even want to trade tickers till they're over 40%. So it was just not my day, and I'm wrapping up today up $78. So it was a total scratch day. I could be down or up $70, $100. It's not so important. It was basically means something was not right. Either my trading wasn't right or the market wasn't really there. Today, pre-market, there was really no action, and then at the market open, I definitely missed several moves. I think, actually, I know some of you guys in the Discord are really, really green. Let's see, I'm just checking here. Tom, really green. I think he was 15-16% up today based on his average size. We have Chase in the Discord as well. And then we have Sal Carr in the Discord. It just broke over $25,000. So he's got an unlimited account. Congrats to all you guys. Today was a tough day too. So if you're walking away green today, I think you're doing pretty all right. Anyway, let's go ahead, review these tickers, and then just wrap it up there. Not so much to talk about personally. I just wanted to share that big milestone with you guys. I'm just, I'm super grateful that we have this community, that we can all learn from each other. I think it's just insanely valuable, and I just, can't wait to see where we all grow together. So let's get started here. Let's start with GSAT. This ticker, I don't even think it's not even on our watch list anymore, and that just kind of just goes to show what's going on here. So GSAT actually climbed up pretty okay. Once it popped back above VWAP, it was kind of back in play all of a sudden. But I think mentally, I was just kind of done today. I don't know. I was like staring at the market all pre-market, and nothing was moving. Even this whole entire run right here is 6%. That's not even that great. GSAT had this good front side move, but this whole front side move, 18%. I mean, that's nothing. I came into it a little bit late, and it was kind of done. And yeah, I don't know. That the rest is history. CHPT. Let's talk about this one. CHPT. What do we got going on over here? Yeah, we had a big first rally here, consolidation, and then we started that second rally. We broke past this high of 24, and I was like, okay, this ticker is in play. Let's go ahead and trade it. Let's see what's good. And I started averaging into here, started averaging into more, averaged a little higher, and then we had a ticker finally pop up somewhere else that was like perfectly in my price range, good float, and I just sold this one. I was like, listen, this one's such a snoozer that I'm gonna jump ship. I mean, this whole move here was 4%. It was ridiculous. So I did I make money on that CHPT? Actually, no, somehow I lost money on that one. Whatever. So I dipped that one and moved on. FCUV, this was pretty hectic ticker today for sure. Pre-market, I didn't trade it, but at market open, it popped back up here, formed a little bit of a full bull flag. I went in with tiny starter size with the intention of it breaking out and me averaging into it and yada yada, but I don't know. It was just so flushy in both directions, and at one point it just spiked up here, and I quickly closed it for a small win. I don't know. This is just really inhumane price action, so it's not. I don't really have any FOMO right now. PSTV. Let's check out this one. PSTV. Yeah, this ticker also kind of hectic. I traded a lot more right in the beginning. We had a nice first stare, but this first stare was just over before it began. I traded this move down here trying to get some support. Didn't really work out so well. Popped back above VWAP. I started trading it here, but a lot of shakeouts. This looks really, really hectic, and it's because it is. It pops back up here. It's still in a ranging, so it's not really technically a good front side to be trading pullbacks. So I was really careful to hopefully not get stuck in a flush. So it would break out and then instantly die off, and I sold it. I would buy again because it actually ended up holding. It tried to break out and didn't, pulled back down, and I sold it. So if I was scalping here, I could have probably walked away with decent profit today, but I was constantly waiting for that bigger move. Then we had that bigger move, and I even bought higher looking for that break of 245. I was up pretty nicely on this one at one point, and man, I probably would have had like $1,000 day if we broke back above here, because I was adding all into this, looking for that breakout, looking for that second leg, right? We had the first leg, consolidation, second leg, and then boom, it didn't happen, flush down. I closed my whole position, and yeah, I don't know, with that I don't know, FCUV, no, that was PSTV. Sorry, PSTV. Yeah, I don't know. I walked away with a little bit of profit here, but I was up quite nicely. And if we had that breakout, it would have been good, but we didn't. So that was a little bit upsetting. We had another attempt here, but I closed this one out really fast when I noticed momentum shifted. And then we sold off here, came back towards a little bit of support. I think at this point I was watching a different ticker or something like that. I missed this big support zone around like the low two teens. and pops up here 5%. I buy into the breakout, looking for a move back towards VWAP. But I didn't have that conviction to hold, and I was taking small size. I mean, look, this is like a $5,000 size, not even. This is tiny size. So, yeah, I wasn't even ready. And then, we got a flush, and I don't know, when lead gappers are flushing like this and just not having follow through, I'm not super excited. Yesterday was a pretty okay day, so I feel like, you know what, we'll just let this day kind of slide by. I feel like the tickers I should have, been trading kind of had their moves and I missed them, and I don't feel like I should be FOMOing around right now. I'll just take the day for what it is, more or less a scratch day, and then just move on. I think that's the best way to treat today. All right, guys, that's all for this video. Just another reminder, August recap coming out. We're going to do a lot more stats and talk a lot more about the best trades, the biggest lessons. So if you're totally new, definitely consider subscribing. Hit that bell icon. We want to see you there. Join the Discord and get engaged in the comment section. Otherwise, drop a like if you enjoyed the content. It's the easiest way to support the channel. I will see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. And like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao.